Oh, thank you for another video that I promised you. This is an important update to the webinar. What I wanted to share at the webinar initially, this is gonna even be an addition to it. Why? It's very funny when you solve one problem and then another problem crops up at the other end. Because we work with a lot of people that are delivering one-on-one service to people, or even people like photographers, personal trainers, consultants, coaches, even public speakers. If you do all these things, I still categorize you as a consultant. So we got this personal trainer who came to us and said, oh, it's feast and famine and feast and famine. Work for 2 days, will not find another job for the next 3 or 4 days. Because as a personal trainer, he goes to people's home to train them, and is really very good at it. Because number one thing with your business is you must be very good at what you do. Because long term, actually, that's the only reason why you're gonna make a success of your business. Be good at what you do. So he called me yesterday and told me that, look, I haven't been sleeping well at all for the past 3 weeks. I said, why? It's been working flat out 14 hours a day, going from home to home of his clients, training them and, helping them with their fitness and all of that. And I said, okay, wasn't that what you wanted? I said, yeah, but it's not getting too much. So when you grow your business to the level where you cannot handle it alone, you must be prepared to bring other people in. I have a strategy to help him do that. However, what I'm gonna share with you is the funnel that we use for this wonderful guy that worked so well for him. And in addition to the fact that he's very good at his job, the funnel that we use, we're going to share it at the webinar so that whatever business you do, you can adapt that funnel to your business and you're likely to get similar result. Okay, so I just got that information and I said I've got to share it with you so that you have an idea of an addition to what we intended presenting. I will even add this one on top of it. Okay. At my next video, I'm gonna share with you what I call the inner game of success. The inner game of success. Success is not about working harder. It's not about not seeing your family. It's not about smartness either. It is about the inner game of success. How do you feel inside? What do you think of yourself? What's your self-image like? I'm gonna share that with you and some other resources even before the webinar. But at the webinar, we're gonna share a lot of great resources that will blow your mind. So be prepared. My advice, put a reminder on your calendar, whitelist our email so that we can get these resources and even more to you, even after the webinar. So remind yourself, put a reminder somewhere in your calendar, on your computer, so that you don't miss out. Because what I'm gonna share at this webinar, I haven't shared it before, and it's gonna be absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, so I'll say to you, your mind is a gold mine. Use it. Bye for now.